Facebook and YouTube channel. And that's a turnover right away. Tumagos ang bola sa kamay ni Dennis for Denise.
Medyo malakas ang pasa doon. Here we go, and another female on the court.
It's Denise this time around for Bobby Pay.
Spot shot. No good.
Big boy. Medyo malakas. Also,
Wow, what a rebound. Rose Team Spotty Pay.
two big men.
Joshua with a look around with Boscar.
The back out for Joshua.
Boscar, not even here. Wow, what look behind, looking at Boscar and saying,
He knows he
where
has
you
stepped
at?
ahead of Boscar and Joshua taking advantage.
Marzo,
Air ball is sharp.
airball, oops, and he loses it to Joshua. And a attempt for two.
Got it!
Hesitation, attempting for two. No good. And Marzo and scuffle.
Ayun yung kumanta ng ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Ayun. Ayun yung lalaki. Nasa lamin.
Joshua handling the ball. Loading inside, passing to Marzo. And it's a foul.
Alam mo si Joshua nang bumabantay sa kanya,
Wow.
may kasamang kilig eh.
Grabe. Talagang, oops, there's a foul. Okay, there's a free throw for Marzo. And first attempt, it's good.
4-1
Oh, Denise loses it.
Again,
It touches.
you have to be a little careful if this is knowing those passes. That's the second time it happened.
Joshua looking for two. Cannot connect. And the rebound by Marzo. Pass to Joshua. Pass to Uncle Mark. Uncle Bert for two. And he gets it.
Libre-libre yan, no?
Denise handling the ball for two.
Sayang.
Cannot connect.
And Uncle Bert,
Uncle Bert for two. And he gets
once
it.
again, third two-pointer.
Denise trying for two, cannot connect. But a rebound for Team Spotty Pay.
Can clean it up, it's big boy.
Uncle Bert driving inside the paint. Passes to Joshua. Joshua handling the ball. Mid-range shot. Cannot connect. Boscar looking for his teammates. Denise trying for two. Still cannot connect.
Nahirapan si Denise.
Joshua.
Yung tira ni Joshua dito,
Sabi
may
na chill lang
pagkawing sa
tayo.
tira ni James Shep, ano?
Uncle Bert trying for two again and connects. Boscar. Ooh, loses it.
Intercepted by Joshua. Ito, libre na naman.
Eto na. Cannot connect.
Not that time.
And still, and pushes through inside. Passes to Marzo. Marzo. Short.
Medyo pagod na kagad,
Boscar. Looking for two. Hesitation. Pass to Denise.
And
Denise for
one.
two.
No good pa
Still
rin.
cannot connect. A 2-point.
Try lang ang try
And
today.
Marzo. Pass to Uncle Bert. Uncle Bert. Hesitation on the two. Mid-range shot for Joshua. Cannot connect. Evelyn Marzo for the rebound. And Evelyn in.
Cleaning it up. Clean up job again for Remar.
Big boy.
And don't look now.
Big boy for Denise.
Nice one
It
na.
touches Uncle Bert to Joshua inside, and it's good.
And third one
A
again.
9-point lead for Team GCAT.
Boscar. Wala.
Joshua to Uncle Bert. Uncle Bert will try for two. And he connects.
Two-pointer.
Team
Punta ka na. Guys,
GCAT.
tambak na tambak na.
Pasok na sa Tito Jun.
Oh,
Joshua. Tito Jun in the house.
David. What a matchup.
Here we go. We have 11-point lead.
We have a time on the floor.
Favorite of Ligas at Ang pasok lang po ni Tito Jun, pinalabas agad.
Kinabahan yata eh.
Alam mo,
12-1.
kailangan daw pag-usapan ng Spotify dahil nandyan na nga si Tito Jun.
Tito Jun is here. No worries. Tito Jun got it. And we have 5 minutes and 48 seconds left.
Pero ako, sabi ko
On
sa
the
inyo,
timer.
dahil nakapasok na yung favorite player ko sa David, makakahabol na yung Spotify.
Ayan.
Oh,
Ayan na. Ayan ang susi ng Spotify.
Ayan, crossover.
Here we go.
Crossover naman dyan. One on one.
David versus Tito Jun. Here we go.
Eh ano, take a look at the streets. Kahit si Rashad Kahler. Si Rashad Kahler. Wala pa rin.
Tito, he was foul. Yung Tito Jun now.
Jun, Uncle Bert trying for two.
Mainit.
Oh, hey, and collects it. And it's a 30-point lead for Team Gcash. Wow. Team Spotify. Tito Jun.
Nakawala na eh.
Oh, look at that. Oh, what an opportunity for Tito Jun. And Tito Jun loses it. Tito Jun for two.
No good.
Gotta connect. And what a rebound for Team Spotify. Drives for two.
Takas yan.
Uncle Bert.
Bert will drive.
Put away.
Wala.
And Tito Jun for the rebound. Back to Uncle Bert. Back to Tito Jun.
Tira mo.
Back to Uncle Bert.
Balik mo
Back
yan.
to Tito Jun. Tito Jun. Back to
Balik
Uncle
mo.
Bert.
Balik mo kay Tito Jun yan. Ayan.
Uncle Bert. How about Uncle Bert
Hitting 6 2-pointers.
So, may angle tayo, may Tito tayo.
David is.
Grabe.
I mean, there was a foul.
And I think Tito Jun is a bit shy on throwing it up on the 2-point area. Tito Jun, huwag ka mag-alala, sagot ka namin.
Pero assist sa kanya yun, ha?
Ayos yun, of course. David on the free throw line.
Uy, oh!
Hey! And one of his teammate rebounds and 1 point for Team Spotify. So Jun will die and Marshall 1 point.
So, may dalawang Tito. Isa, ano sa akin, Uncle ba yung tawag?
Uncle Bert sa siya yun. English.
Yung isa, pamangkin.
Okay.
Pamangkin yung bata.
Uncle Bert will try for two.
Uncle! David! Let's go, David! Let's go, David!
Yun nga lang.
Oh,
sa basketball away.
Uncle Bert to Tito Jun will try for two.
Almost.
And he rebounds it. For Uncle Bert.
Uncle Bert.
Oh my goodness.
Alam mo, we have to check how many 2-pointers.
Consecutive 2 points for Uncle Bert. Wow, oh wow. Uncle Bert is on fire.
Uncle Bert on fire. 7 2-pointers.
David Abrion!
The ball pass to his teammate. And too short. Imazo gets the ball. And he puts it out of bounds.
Ano, Gcash, they're really looking for Uncle Bert. Dahil naglalagagag na nga siya dito.
Here we go for David. David, a sensation on the floor.
Kahit walang bumabantay yan.
He is dancing on the floor.
Morris, offensive rebound.
2 point. No good.
Yan.
Let's go. Pass to Tito Jun. Intercepted.
Morris, this time, finger.
Oh, still cannot connect for Team Spotify.
Everything but the shot.
And Lemanzo cannot reach the ball.
1931, domination here for Gcash.
Oh, David is provoking Tito Jun to fall. Easy. Dancing on the floor with Tito Jun. Oh, pass to teammate. And the shot clock expires.
Yan, pare, yan ang strategy nila eh.
Correct.
Para hindi na agad manalo yung kalaban.
Ibang klase yung dance mo.
Sige na ba?
Ayan, sayang yun ah.
Sleeping defense from David. Pwede pala yun. And still from Team Spotify. And a foul, Joey Malso. Grabe yun, pwede pala yun. Defense while sleeping.
So on the line right now will be Morris for one great throw.
And it's a 15-point lead for Team Gcash. 1 point for
Angel, tiro mo na yan. Shoot mo na yan, Angel.
Tito June, go for it.
Tiro na.
Tito June, hesitation.
Angel breaker.
Back to
Tito,
Tito June,
Angel.
Tito June. And still cannot connect. Back to Tito
Go,
June.
go, go.
Reloads.
Wala na naga.
Still cannot connect.
David.
They hit.
Clear the clear.
Back to the boys.
Selling
Come
his
on.
teammates.
Crossover na mo. Papatay.
Oh, David on the drive.
Too strong. And he rebounds his own shot.
Go.
Oh, that's on the floor.
Nice pass.
Passing inside.
Assist lang muna para kay David.
Diba? Uncle Bert to Limaso. Back to Uncle Bert. Back to Limaso. Back to Limaso. Back to Uncle Bert. Uncle Bert for two. Too strong.
Overlooks
Tito
that.
mo.
Back to Uncle Bert. Tito June is being hugged
Defense.
by David.
And Tito June throwing David on the sideline.
And Spotty Ray still cannot connect their shot.
Guys, tapusin na. Come on, let's go.
Uncle Bert to
Tito Jun, let's go.
Uncle Bert will try for two. Back to Tito June.
For the win. Tito Jun for the win.
Oh!
Ano ba yan?
And it's a 12-point lead.
Morris, the Pinoy stand. They say that.
Oh! Good shot
Angel,
for
please na. Pakilapos na.
Eto na ba?
Uncle Bert for downtown, cannot connect.
May bagyan ng lamig na dito sa
Tira.
akin.
David. Pinasa pa.
Okay, 1 point for Team Spotty. Tito June.
Let's go.
For the win!
Still cannot connect.
At the button.
Back to David. David dancing on the floor.
David. Kahit walang bumabantay. Kinocrossover na siya. Pinasa.
And lays it up and gets it in.
Ang
Back to Uncle Bert. Uncle Bert for two.
There you go. Bang!